Oops! Your favorite jeans don't fit you like they did when you were 20. Well, I think many of us know how that feels, right? There's no way those pants are going up. But this girl is not going to let herself be defeated by discouragement. With a good pair of scissors, she cut the sides of the jeans, and with a special fabric puncher, she placed several metal washers. She used a beautiful chain that she inserted through the washers as if they were shoelaces. Wow, she improved her favorite jeans and added a modern and bold touch. She saw a video on how to use old t-shirts to make something new, and started stacking her old t-shirts and soaking them in epoxy resin. To keep them flat and stuck together, she weighed them down with something heavy. Once the t-shirts were hardened, the girl cut them out using a dressmaker's mold and then polished the two pieces she had obtained. Then, she coated them again with UV resin, which she dried using a lighter. The girl made small holes on the sides of the pieces. This is to be able to join these resin pieces with rectangles of flexible acrylic. She glued fabric to one of them. So what the girl wanted to make became evident. A super original and modern handbag, super functional and somewhat extravagant because it even has pearls as decoration. Tell me, please, would you like to have a bag made in this extraordinary way? For her clothing design exam, this girl came up with the idea of transforming a pair of jeans in this way. She removed one of the back pockets, cut out a piece of the jeans, and decorated it with pearls of the same tone, and created a striking fanny pack to carry whatever she wanted.
This tutorial is going to blow your mind. The first step is to create a makeshift hand mixer from molten metal. This is used to mix epoxy resin, which is then applied to a pair of old jeans. The jeans are then used to cover a large orca-shaped float. Once the epoxy has dried, a hole is cut in the back of the orca and a chair is inserted. A skeleton is attached to the chair to test the project's weight capacity. Construction foam is placed inside the hull, a pool noodle is glued around the edge, and the orca is painted. Oars are made from rubber and a broomstick, and the boat is finally ready for a water test. It's amazing to see that this boat actually floats. I imagine the boat is light, easy to carry and all that. Obviously, whoever sails in it must know how to swim because a large wave could knock them over. However, it looks really fun. Would you dare to ride in this boat? I'm not sure. Let me think about it. This guy preferred to spend money on a smart TV than on a coat rack. Actually, he used a bunch of his grandmother's hangers to make his own coat rack. And boy, did it turn out well. Would you dare to make one like it for yourself?